You didn't have me say don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
Fingers to the bone, just trying to make something out of nothing, you know. You never wanted silver, gold, or the finer things. Just a wife and kids, a home, and the American dream. Whoa, how you gonna step in line? Whoa.
Welcome to Asbury Park, one of the beach entrances, right up this way. All right, today we're where?
Asbury Park.
In New Jersey. I can't wait to show you this boardwalk. It's fabulous. They got a great beach. The boardwalk is how long?
I don't know.
She doesn't know. It's 1 mile long. I can't wait to give you a complete tour of this boardwalk. You can see it behind us. Let's just get on with this boardwalk tour. You see the beach out here? It's a beautiful day today. I can't wait to show you what's in this Asbury Park. And I love the color they paint their buildings here. Look at this one back here. All right, look at these showers. But I tell you what, we are at, I think, the very beginning of this boardwalk. It's like almost like a nature path, but this is where the path turns into cement. Oh, and if you continue on past the boardwalk, there's a great walking path. And it takes you, I think, down here to where you can park to get in and start at the boardwalk area. Way down there you can kind of see, I think that's like hotel district. But here's the parking lot I was talking about. Get here early for this. So at the beginning of the boardwalk is called Deal Lake Drive Beach. This is the beach access from that parking lot. So here we are, Asbury Park. We're at the beginning of the boardwalk and you can see that building down there. You get to walk straight through that to the other side. All right, there's that building I just showed you with all those colors, but I think this is unique here. Not the electric police car, but that's pretty cool too, right? But it's this. They got food trucks down here. Here it is, North Eats, a place where they got food trucks. And something's got my eye down here. It's a pork roll. There's Betty's Icebox. I see shaved ice, some ice pops. Here it is, the pork roll in Asbury Park and coffee. All right, we just got Johnny's pork roll. And when you're in Jersey, you gotta get one of these. It's a staple in New Jersey, a pork roll.
Oh my God, it's huge.
Oh my God. That's the biggest pork roll I've ever seen, I think.
Yes, and don't forget coffee too.
Oh yeah,
which
what
is
was
amazing.
that?
This is the hazelnut, and it's Guatemalan coffee.
Guatemalan coffee. I don't think I ever heard of that.
It's really good.
But I don't drink coffee either. All right, here she goes. She's gonna taste this thing.
Wow.
That's a double fister. How is that?
It's a great breakfast.
Oh yeah, we're just getting started here on this boardwalk. Look at this hotel right on the boardwalk. It's kind of got it like an Italian flair to it, but do you see they got a pool up there in the middle? It's beautiful. Now, one thing about Asbury Park, you gotta pay to get on this beach. I think it's like $5, $10 per day, or you can get a season pass. Let's just take a stroll out and look at this beach. I love these mats that you can walk out. It makes it easy to get your beach buggy or even a wheelchair out here. Let's take a look down on the water's edge. See what this beach really looks like. This is why you come to New Jersey, the beaches. There's a lot of people out here already, and it's only 10 a.m. Look back the other direction. They got some big waves here. Let's get back up on the boardwalk and continue this tour. And yes, you can even ride a bike on this boardwalk. But I think, what time? It's 10 o'clock. All right, this is unique. They got a playground right on the beach. What do you think of this boardwalk, hon?
Very nice, very relaxing.
Do you see
Really
the fishing
nice.
boat out there?
Yeah. There's a lot of boats out there.
Now, as we get up to this theater, I will tell you one thing. This is like a music town boardwalk. This is where Bruce Springsteen likes to come. I'm hoping maybe we'll spot him today, but probably not. You see what I mean? Here's where you can see live entertainment all summer long. All right, this looks like it might have been old shops at one time, but it looks like now they're calling it wooden walls. I guess local artists painted these things. Pretty cool. I will tell you one thing. This thing looks very old. Oh, look at this bar right on the ocean. Spectacular. What's this, hon? Paramount Theater?
I think that's what it is.
Look at this place in Asbury Park. You kind of walk through this building to get through to the other side of the boardwalk. It's got shops in here. So this building is called the Asbury Park Convention Hall. Looks like they got shows. I see coming attractions. Oh, there's the Wonder Bar. I heard a lot about that. All right, this is back one street from the boardwalk, but it is famous in Asbury Park. It's the Wonder Bar. I'm just gonna see if I can take a stroll through there and show you what it's all about.
So, do you see this, hon? It says, Wonder Bar Yappy Hour is all you could hope for and more. Bring your furry little buddy and come hang out on the doggy deck. A pool, refreshing drinks, lounge chairs, friends, and fun await both you and your pup.
All right, we're here with the owner of the Wonder Bar. Is that right?
Yep.
And she's going to tell us all about this place. Why is this place famous?
Well, the Wonder Bar's been here since the 1950s. It was famous because it always had its own music. Plus, it's across the street from the Convention Hall and the Paramount. And we brought it back to life. We redid the whole building. We brought the music back in. 2 years after we opened it, I started Yappy Hour, which is over here, which is happy hour for dogs.
Awesome.
And we started with just like 30 dogs inside. And then the bigger it got, the more land we kept acquiring. And now we have a 5,000 square foot deck over here with swimming pools and tiki bar. And we get between 200 and 300 dogs a day.
Wow.
We've been on TV all over the world for it. Reuters news service came, Fox News, NBC, CBS. So we're famous for music, like Bruce plays here a lot with our different bands. But the most famous we are is for our Yappy Hour.
Yappy Hour. You got to check this place out because it's fantastic. All right, this is Asbury Park Roastery. A lot of you asked, do they have coffee shops here? Well, this one's right in the convention center, along with a bunch of other shops. You can shop in this place. Look at this store. It's called the Fun House. Oh, look at this. They got all kinds of unique things. My wife's got her eyes on something here at Carla Gizzy. What you got, honey?
Look at the tiles they have.
Asbury Boardwalk, that's cool. And make sure you're looking up in this place. It is beautiful. Lots of history here. We came out the other side. I tell you one thing, this boardwalk is nice, but this beach is packed today. Oh, look out here. This is where the beach bar is, out here at the end of this. I can't wait to show you this. Let's check it out. All right, this is a spectacular place in Asbury Park. It's this beach bar. You got to be 21 to get out here, but you're going to see as I walk through here, look at these views. I had to dub this in because the music was so loud. If you want to relax and listen to music and see the sights here, make sure you're coming to this beach bar. It is absolutely insane. This is what the bar looks like on the inside. Any kind of drink you could probably want in here. Let's head back outside. This is where the action's gonna be. Out this way. Look at this restaurant right on the boardwalk. What's this place called?
I don't know. I'll find out in a second.
Robinson's Ale House. All right, and don't miss this place. Eddie's Confetti. Smoothies, milkshakes, gelati, sundaes, and iced coffee. There my wife found an iced coffee. Oh yeah, they got pliables here. 180. Oh, look at this sugar pop candy bar. I don't know what that is. Slush bar? Look at all the candy in here. This looks fabulous. Oh man, there's some saltwater taffy, it looks like. All right, we continue on down this boardwalk. There's another restaurant. That's called the Iron Whale. What's this place?
It says Pucker, lemonades and beach fries.
Fresh squeezed lemonade and fries. There's a pizza place on the boardwalk. Oh my gosh, that's Maruka's. I gotta get a piece there. I read all about this place. They got the swirly sauce pizza. It's voted the #1 pizza on this boardwalk. What's this, honey?
Asbury 18, miniature golf course.
Miniature golf. That's pretty cool right on this boardwalk. I see a lot of action going on up here. There's a burger place, Mayfair Burgers. Oh, we got to go in the arcade. You know what the arcade is the best for, hon? The arcade is the best because it's got AC, I think. Oh, it looks like you got to pay to go in this one. It's pretty neat. All right, one thing I noticed about this arcade, and what I love to see, is there is no shortage of pinball machines. I used to have 2 of these things. Look at all. Pinball everywhere. This is like an amusement park for me. Oh my God, look at these antiques here. Old pinball. We better get back to the boardwalk because I'll get lost in here. This is called the Retro Arcade, and I don't know, you can come in here and sit and eat and play pinball. I'll tell you one thing, there is no shortage of places to eat along this boardwalk. We just saw a Nathan's back there, hot dogs. I don't know what this one is. Oh yeah, look at this, a water park right on this boardwalk. What's it called?
Asbury Splash Park.
Asbury Splash Park. What a way to cool off or rinse off after you get out of the ocean. But I think you've got to pay to get in here. Oh, look up there. They got the Splash Park bucket. I love this park. So there's the prices to get in. Day pass, child 15, adult 7. Oh, and they got a seating area over there too. I want to see that bucket go. There's Tony's Italian sausage and hot dog cheese fries. All these people are waiting to get into the beach. Like I said, it's a hot day and I understand why they want to get there. Ah, look at this. It's the crepe shop. All kinds, sweet and savory. All right, here's a Parisian fusion taco place. This place is called the Hampton Water Rosé. At least that's what's on their umbrellas, but I'm not sure. Oh my God, there it is. Cousin's Maine Lobster. I think we got to get a lobster roll. All right, here it is. Cousin's Maine Lobster. We got a Connecticut lobster roll, honey. Do you remember where you had this the last time?
No.
This is the one we got at Park City in York. That was Cousins.
Yeah, in the food truck.
Yeah.
Yes. Look at how big those pieces of lobster are.
Taste that sucker, honey. How is it?
Sinfully good.
Sinfully good.
Oh my
And you
God.
see right behind, it's right on the boardwalk. Cousins Lobster House or whatever. All right, when you come to Asbury Park, you gotta come here. It's called Dogs. It's a hot dog place right on the boardwalk. Supposedly, they are excellent here. I'm stuffed. You see what we had today. I can't eat anymore. There's Coney waffle ice cream. All right, you can see this is the end of the boardwalk. I'm about ready to touch the last board here. So this boardwalk was a mile long, and if you turn around, you can see this boardwalk is beautiful. There it is. You can see the beach behind us. But look at this. People are hanging all kinds of stuff here. I think they call these love locks. Honey, let's put one on there. And if you walk past that building, there's another beach entrance right here. You can see it. Man, if this building could talk, look at that. But it also looks like you can take bikes a little bit further down this way. Looks like a parking lot right there. So that's the other end. 1 mile. This is the Stony Pony. You can see the stage back there. It's right off the boardwalk. But this is where they got live music. We had a fantastic day. Make sure you're coming to Asbury Park for the great beach, the food, and everything in between. All right, it's been a hot day, but a fantastic day at Asbury Park. Did you have fun?
I did. Good
What was your
food.
favorite?
The lobster roll.
Of course, it's always the lobster roll. Until next time, we got another boardwalk to hit today, so don't miss that. Coming soon.
You didn't have me say don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
What?
You didn't have me say the end.
Oh, she wants to say the end. And what else?
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell.
Oh yeah, that's the end.